Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sahana Deshpande, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Cloud9 Kanakpura Road. Today I'm going to address the most common problem in pregnancy, urinary tract infection. Of course, other than pregnancy also we get it more frequently, but in pregnancy it has become more common. We usually do not understand why we are getting it in reports, whereas you don't have any symptoms. That is called as asymptomatic bacteriuria. Asymptomatic, the word itself tells you will not have any symptoms because pregnancy symptoms itself overlaps with the urinary infection symptoms, like going frequently to urine is a symptom of urinary tract infection, which is also there in pregnancy. And of course, there will be some vaginal pains in pregnancy, which can be there due to urethral pain. And that's why we always check urinary infections frequently by doing a urine routine and culture during pregnancy. Why do we get urinary infections frequently? First thing is there is relaxation of the smooth muscles during pregnancy, which leads to opening up of the urethra easily, and we have a very short urethra in females, leading to the ascent of the bacteria inside very easily. Second thing is the shortening of the urethra, which happens due to the pressure effects of the uterus. Third problem is the uterus puts pressure on the bladder. There can be urinary stasis. It may not be emptied fully every time, and this leads to urinary infection. The third common cause is vomitings during the first trimester, where you will not be able to take adequate liquids at all. So this leads to concentration of the body fluids and leading to urinary infections. So the first advice from my side is drink lot of fluids as much as possible. Include tender coconut water in your diet. Include lemon juices in your diet. If you can add sugar and salt if you are not diabetic. If you are diabetic, I advise you to add only a pinch of salt and pepper and take the lemon juice. You can add buttermilks which are very thin, not the lassi kind of thick with lot of sugar. That is not advised because it will add to your calories too much. And of course, there are a lot of other liquids like barley water, which helps to flush out your urinary infections, and cranberry juices. According to your infection and culture report, your doctor will advise you what antibiotics to be taken, which are safe in pregnancy. Such antibiotics will need to be taken advised by the gynecologist and your obstetrician. Do not take by your quacks who may give it over counter in the medical stores. Those tablets are not safe and the course has to be completed fully, which is for 5 days minimum. Take care of yourself.